loves, so today we're going to do a tutorial. Obviously it is the tutorial of the look you saw in the beginning of this video. So we're just going to jump in. I'm not going to ramble too much. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it and share it if you could, because this helps me out so much. And please subscribe if you have not already. We upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more. So let's do this. All right, we're going to start by contouring. I'm going to do contour, blush, my eyes. I'm just going to do my thing. I'm going to use the Revolution Mega Bronzer in Cool 1. Need to like start prepping my Christmas stuff. I mean, I'm gonna do the video where I show you guys kind of the treats that I'm making. You know, it's gonna ruin it for some people for Christmas. That's fine. I'll probably do a test run because I want you guys to have enough time to do it if you want to. I think I'm gonna do 3 things that I'm gonna make. They're all gonna be baked goods of some way. I think I'm gonna make caramel sauce because it's like my #1 thing I'm doing this year. Hot chocolate spoons, and then like dipped pretzels. I have a whole list though, so we'll see what actually ends up making it in the video. Things that I want to try, I want to do shortbread cookies that are like different flavors and stuff, like dipped in different things. How do they, I just took a bag away from them and I already found another one. So I think by the time you see this, because I don't think this is gonna go up till next week, going to see Hanson. I told you guys that in my last Wellness Wednesday, December 1st in Seattle. I'm so excited. I just hope that the pass is open and everything works out fine. Going with some really good friends and my sister, and my friends that I'm going with, like we used to love Hanson back in the day. Like if you even know who Hanson is, then you're probably around my age. But I'm very excited. It's a Christmas show and I just love it. I'm just rambling today. Apparently I'm feeling chatty. So I guess this is a chatty get ready with me. But I'm super excited. I have not been feeling well though. Again, if you already saw my Wellness Wednesday, then you saw me talking about how my stomach has been off because my meds were mixed up. I went to a new doctor because my last doctor wasn't accepted by my insurance anymore. I had asked to have multiple prescriptions like sent, and she sent all but one, and the one that she didn't send was like my tummy medicine that helps balance out like the rest of my meds for my arthritis and stuff, that helps me not feel sick. It helps you not get an ulcer from my other meds. So there was some sort of mix up and that one was not sent, and I had to make another appointment and I can't get in until after Christmas. They said I could call and try and get in early, like call early in the morning. So I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow and try, because I want to feel good for my trip and for the holidays and stuff. Blech. I want a glowy blush. I want Ravish. Let's get real. I want Ravish. If you're new here, shop Miss A. Some gem finds. Ravish Lumi blush. Amazing. It looks gross, but there's so much product left. I don't really need to get a new one. But I always want to like stock up. This is my favorite ColourPop blush brush. The F9. I'm gonna do the blush on the nose. I've been trying to see how I feel about that trend. I love the highlight on the nose, so I'm gonna give the blush on the nose. I'm just gonna go light. Ooh, I'm so excited to get to the eyes. Everything's about my last Wellness Wednesday PR haul. Got these little palettes from Dido, I think. Dido. I don't even know. But I just looked these up and these are so affordable. They're like $10.99 each. Brand is cruelty free, so that's exciting. The shade that I'm most excited about, which didn't even look like it was gonna be that great in the palette, is this one. So I know we're gonna use this one, but I wanted to do kind of a red look and we're gonna do like a red winged liner, I think. So I also grabbed this one. This is the Shiny Sun palette. They all have little mirrors too, which is amazing. $10.99, that's crazy. That's like better price than ColourPop. They all have this really cool like space. It's all space themed. All of their palettes that they sent me were all space themed. I know they have other stuff though. Super excited. So hopefully this is good. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Neutron, which is this guy right here. I went in really light on it at first because I didn't know how the pigmentation was gonna go or the blendability or anything, but I think we're gonna be good. I think this is gonna be golden. I'm excited. What's up, guys? How you doing? My hair is crazy. Tried to fix my roots and I swear I made it worse. We'll get there someday. Since I do want to do a red wing and the creme gel colors from ColourPop, I always have to end up cleaning them up. So I am going to just focus on my upper lid, do the wing, and then do my lower lash line, I think. I don't know why I'm telling you that. You obviously will see that. So far, I'm really liking these. They are blending really nicely. We're going to use Stella. I'm going to focus that out here. I'm really digging these though. What a surprise. Like, not in a bad way, just I love when I try a new brand and I actually really like stuff, especially when they're affordable. So much good affordable makeup these days, you guys. Oop. I'm gonna take Meteor, which is this just white cream shade. Just put that on the brow bone. Now I'm switching palettes. I'm gonna go in with the Saturn Shade palette, and this, what is it? Encelada? I don't know, some fancy word. I'm gonna start with this guy. I think I'm gonna pack it with my finger first and then go in with it wet. It is so beautiful in duochrome. It's like the one shade I swatched in that little haul that I did. I was like, oh, get on my face. So pretty. Look at that. Can you see it? I bet it's gonna be even more beautiful when I apply it wet. I'm going to spritz a brush. This one's kind of stained with a blue, but it should be fine. This is just the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Oh my goodness, yes. So pretty. Okay, I'm gonna switch palettes back to the Shiny Sun palette, and I want to put a little bit of this orange like right in the center of the lid. Celestial. I don't know if that's gonna make much of a difference, but it's pretty. Actually, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put on my my wing and then go from there, because I think I want to add a little bit of glitter, but I think I'll put the wing on first just to make it easier. Okay, this brush, again, everything stained blue. We are going to use the ColourPop Creme Gel color in Joyride. It is the most beautiful like burgundy shade. I'm so like a liquid liner girl that when I use like a cream color, I just mess up. Usually this giant brush, this is from Shop Miss A. It's the E114. It's huge, but I like a big wing, so it'll work out. And I'm just dipping it into the color, and then I'm gonna use the lid and just kind of press it together, if that makes sense. So like that I get the brush like squished in. I don't even have to clean this wing up. I think that's like the first time ever with one of these that I think that it's gonna be okay. Hey, not the best, not the worst. I'm going with it. Hey, that's the best wing I've done with one of these creme gel. This is the best wing I've done with one of these creme gel colors in a long time. I'm gonna go ahead and start the lower lash line. All right, so we're gonna go back into that first, the Shiny Sun Shade palette, and we're just gonna go back in with this one and put it all the way under the lower lash line, and then go in with a little bit of this one. Okay, before I go in with that darker shading, I'm going to add a little bit of the Creme Gel Pencil Liner from ColourPop, same shade in Joyride. And I'm just putting it where I normally put my black liner. I'm just going to smudge that out. I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of this Profusion Glitter Liner. This is Gold Rush. I love these. And I'm just kind of doing my outline first. I think we will wear these lashes. Why not? So these are the ColourPop Queenie lashes. I'm going to go ahead and put on my mascara and pop on these lashes, and I'll be right back. Hi, it's me. I changed my mind. I think we're going to use Tory lashes. Okay, I'm going to pop these on and be right back. Okay, this lash is giving me trouble, so I'm going to let it chill for a minute and then fix it. But we're going to go ahead and do our highlight and lip. I think we're going to go in with the Juvia's Place, What Are You Called? The Tribe Highlight Volume 3. I'm going to do a very basic lip for me because I am running out of time. My mom is going to be here any minute. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the Ulta lip liner in, is it Blush? Bloom. Got lash glue and stuff on my finger. And then Revolution Chauffeur, my favorite nude ever. And we are going to lighten it a little bit because I do feel like this is a really bold eye look, so I just want to kind of balance out. And since I am so fair, if you're not as fair as I am, you really don't need to lighten it. It's just me being weird. I'm gonna take a little bit of fair shape tape. And I'm gonna clean up my lip line. Oh, No, my mom is here. You want to say hi?
Oh.
You
Hi.
Hopefully they can hear you. Okay, I'm just gonna highlight my inner corner. I was just saying, I was like, I gotta hurry, my mom is coming.
No, I'm not in any hurry.
So I'm going to Trader Joe's, always. I don't feel like this lip really matches this look, but whatever, we're going with it. It doesn't. I think this is warmer. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit of this Dominique Cosmetics Babe. Make it a little warmer. Just gonna set my face. This lash is still a little crazy, but that's okay. All right, love, so I think that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it if you could. This helped me out so much. And please subscribe if you have not already. We upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more. All right, I love you guys so much. I will talk to you soon. Bye. Get that dampened. Wax my brows, girl. Nothing like coming down under all these lights and realizing that your face is like hairy. I'm gonna go back in and drop my brush. One wing is a little bit longer than the other, but I honestly don't want to mess with it. Hey, Luna, can you not do that, please? She's literally touching the camera right now. Luna, not for you, not for Luna's. Hi. How doing? How doing? Hi. How? Oh. You need to not show your booty to the world. That's not very ladylike.